1 minute, a frustrated prosecutor, Rodolfo Fariñas, walks out of the impeachment court and vents before the media.
Ano ako doon? Dekorasyon?
The next minute, he is named Deputy Lead Prosecutor.
Starting today, I already authorized him to be the Deputy Lead Prosecutor. So si Congressman Fariñas can argue sa susunod na mga araw.
What frustrated Fariñas? He's been wanting to take the floor, but colleagues in the prosecution have been stopping him.
Nahirapan ako dahil sanay ako na yung I take charge Now, ngayon, kung member ako na sinasabi, wag na lang dahil hindi gano'n ang style ko.
After that, tinext ko siya at sabi niya, okay partner, babalik ako. Bumalik siya, nag-usap kaming dalawa. Sabi niya sa akin, partner, I assure you that all the way kasama mo ako dito.
The prosecution panel has been getting a beating inside and outside the court.
Nililito niyong publiko at nagagalit sa inyo Pakinggan niyo ang radyo.
Kaya nga bumaba ako dun sa panel minsan para explain dahil ang daming tao nagte-text sa akin, nagtitweet na bakit daw hindi ako nagsasalita.
Fariñas is admittedly one of the better lawyers among the congressmen prosecutors.
He's one of the most articulate and well-versed and scholarly members of Congress.
The way things are going, could Fariñas save them?
Ako, I have trust and confidence talaga kay Congressman Fariñas. Pero yung debate kasi kanina, wala na rin yun Tapos na yun Tsaka very irrelevant na. Although, may punto dun si Congressman Fariñas na i-put on record. Pero parang, kasi hindi namin natapos siguro si Commissioner Kim Henares kung nagdebate kami ng debate.
The prosecution has been bludgeoned in the court of public opinion. But never mind, says Umali.
Yung publiko ang gusto nila yung katotohanan. And yan naman ay lumalabas na yung katotohanan. Nandiyan na yung ITR, nandiyan na yung SALN, nandiyan na yung iba't ibang mga dokumento pa na dati-rati hindi natin pwedeng basta makita.
They're probably right. Notwithstanding their bruised egos, they can claim they have been able to present evidence that would not have been allowed in a criminal court.
Bringing out something that has been hidden for a long while, especially yung SALN na is a great achievement, I think.
By next week, the prosecution hopes to divulge more information about the properties of the Chief Justice. Question is, will Fariñas finally be given the floor? Carmela Fonbuena, Rappler, Manila.